Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout, and with just less than a week until we see iOS 15 Beta 1 released at WWDC 2021, I wanted to go over one very important step that you guys should take before installing iOS 15 on your device, and that is to back up your device, but not just back up your device to iCloud, because what's going to happen is when you install iOS 15, if you have your iCloud backups on still, those backups, your previous iOS 14 backup is going to get overridden by an iOS 15 backup. And if for some reason you get a bad update for iOS 15, or there's a bunch of bugs in a beta and you want to go back to iOS 14, you're not going to be able to restore from a backup from a newer version. So iOS 15 won't be able to, you can't go back to iOS 14 and restore from an iOS 15 backup. The version, the software version has to be newer or the same for the backup to be able to reinstall all your stuff. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a iOS 14 backup on your Mac or PC before you install iOS 15, and I'm going to show you how to do this in just 1 second. You're going to want to open up Finder after plugging in your phone, and you will see a box where it says backup to this Mac, and then if you encrypt the backup, it will set a password on your backup, so it also backs up your passwords and stuff from your phone. And then you're just going to want to back up your phone to your Mac by clicking the backup button, and that will save the backup to your Mac's storage instead of iCloud. And then once you back up your phone to iCloud on iOS 15, you'll have your iOS 15 backups, but then you'll also have an iOS 14 backup in case you ever need to go back to iOS 14 during the beta process. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.